Hello everyone, I am Bibi. I'm too passionate about teaching and it has been my passion since my 5th grade. My topic of choice is grammar without a definition. For many of us, grammar is too boring. Did you know that we could learn grammar by doing things we like to do? I love to speak. That's why I am a speaker today. There's one more thing that I like to do. I love to cook. Today, let's learn verb by cooking my favorite dish, an egg omelette. So, let's get started. Take an onion and slice it. We are going to chop it in a chopper. I think I need help.
Hi, hello everyone. I am Joandlyn. I am here to help you.
Thank you. Can you chop this?
Why not?
Let's slice the tomatoes. Now, let's split the green chilli and cut it small. Now, let's crack the egg. Now, we are going to add the red chilli and tomatoes. Let's add the chopped onions. Now, let's mix it. Let us sprinkle some salt. Sprinkle. Now, let's sprinkle some pepper. Let us mix all the ingredients together. Let's start cooking. We are going to pour the oil. Let's pour our onion and egg mix into our pan. We are spreading it evenly. Now, let's close the lid. Egg. Open the lid and now let us flip our egg. Our egg is ready to be served. Are you ready to eat it?
Yes.
I hope you would have observed the verbs being highlighted in this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe this channel.